Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. As you see, the examination date is published 11th of September, and so you have around less than 2 months of time to prepare for your NEET PG examination. So well ahead, I am giving you expected cutoff for all India 50% quota for 2021 as per as per the updated pattern. So out of 800 marks, how much you need to score in order to get a particular branch, so that you are able to set a target. And we will also compare how it's going to be different from last year and what will be the impact. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel and you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, hit the bell button, and click the like button as well of the video. You can join the Telegram group. The description has its link. You can purchase ebooks from the description. For the paid counseling services, you can contact us on the number given on the screen, 9319128677. You can send us WhatsApp messages as well for your queries. And this video is all about 2021 All India Quota expected cutoff score. So let's get started. I tried my best based on the my analysis, and you don't take it as granted because the question pattern is changed. Earlier we used to have examination of 1200 marks, now it will be of 800 marks, and the question pattern is also changed. More logical questions and clinical questions, image based questions will be there, where you have to put your logic and whatever you have studied, you have to apply all the experience. So this is just an idea, so that you have some target in your mind. Without target you can't do the preparation, and preparation will be not going in the right direction. So must have target. That's why I have given, if you have any kind of objection with the target I have given here, as expected cutoff score, you can comment us, we will look into it. So based on a paper difficulty level or how the paper is, the expected cutoff score may change, but this is just based on our analysis. So for radio diagnosis, if you are looking to get a seat through All India Quota, last year the branch was closed on 3287 rank. Okay, and this year out of 800 you need to get score between 525 to 530. For dermatology you need to have a score between 521 to 525. Pedia and general medicine you need to have rank around score around 515 to 510 to get a branch through All India Quota. TB and chest you need to have a score between 483 to 490, and similarly for ortho it's around 475 to 480, pops gynae 470 to 475, and for general surgery 467 to 470. Let me tell you how this year the counseling is going to be different. See, the counseling is already delayed by 8 months. It was supposed to happen, the examination was supposed to happen in month of January, and now it's happening in month of September. So there is so much of delay. So when the examination will happen, the management will try to announce the result sooner, and the counselings, how it used to happen: first All India counseling along with deemed universities, then you could see after like one round is over, you could see notification coming for state level counseling for all their open state or closed state. After couple of rounds of state counseling is also over, then you could see notification coming for DNB counseling. That how it used to be. And then after DNB counseling you have the spaces for CPS and FCPS counseling. This year there are two important change that you need to keep in mind. First is seat increment. Seat got increase, you got new option in your bucket, that is NB diploma on top of PG diploma. So there we have more than 8 branches, and for that I will create a separate video how the cutoff is going to travel for NB diploma. But you got more number of seats, that's good news. And on top of that, you can see this time the counseling for DNB, MSMD, NB diploma all will be traveling parallelly. So it's gonna impact the cutoff score, and it will give a positive impact to the cutoff score. The cutoff score will travel in positive direction instead of negative, because when you have counseling happening in segregated ways, so you try out your chances in deemed universities all India, then you go for states, you reject the option that you go through all India, then you go for better option in state, and then you go for DNB. So when it's happening all in the same at the same time simultaneously, the chances are there that candidates will be playing more safely, and once they get a seat they will try to secure it, and then don't take much of risk. So it's going to give positive shift to the cutoff score. That's how it's going to impact, and that's our analysis. Let's look at the expected cutoff score for all India quota 50% 2021 for ophthalmology. It's going to be around 450 to 455. Psychiatric medicine around 450. For ENT it's going to be 440 to 445. For radiotherapy, you can see radiotherapy is one kind of rare branch all over India, including all deemed private and government colleges. You can see hardly 200 seats are there, so you can get in around 426 to 430 marks. Pathology, you can expect to get seat if you have around 380 to 385 marks. Anesthesiology between 423 to 430 marks. And likewise, you can see other clinical and non-clinical branches. So see, the purpose of giving a long list up to 29 branches, including non-clinical as well, is depending on the interest and their desired branch. You can have your own target set so that you can prepare accordingly. And this is expected cutoff score. When I say how much you should set the target, you add 20-25 marks extra. So you set the target higher, so in case you slip up by 10-15 marks, still you don't go beyond your boundary line and you land in the safer zone. So you set a target bit higher, so that even in case you slip up, you are in the safe zone. So that's the purpose of this video, and if you like the video, you hit the like button. And for any other suggestion that we where you on any suggestion that you want us to create a video on particular topic, you can suggest us in the comment section of the video. Until next video, it's goodbye and take care.